Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm a lead software developer, solution architect, and engineering manager with over 10 years of versatile professional experience. In this revolutionary course, I'm going to share my invaluable expertise and show you the power and beauty of the Web Components API, a framework agnostic and reusable and browsers natively supported feature that gives you full control over your front-end components architecture, behavior, and look and feel. You might have worked with or probably heard of such UI frameworks as Angular, React, or Vue, right? They are definitely powerful, but they all come with their own technical challenges and issues. On top of that, they lock you into their ecosystem, and they're not even natively understood by browsers unless they're transpiled to pure JavaScript code. So, what if you want to build components across any framework, or even not at all? What if you need to have multiple UI frameworks to coexist in a single app in real time? Now, what if you could build UI kits and libraries and easily reuse them across all types of JavaScript projects with no extra dependencies? All of this becomes possible with the Web Components API. And the best part, they are natively supported by all modern browsers. No frameworks, no extra dependencies, no hassle. Moreover, a ton of popular front-end frameworks like Angular, Svelte, Vue, Lit, and others have already integrated the Web Components API into their ecosystems. And in this course, we will figure out how. You're not just gonna sit and watch, you will build. Every module is packed with extremely interactive and practical code examples, real-world use cases, and projects that you can apply directly at work. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of 2 powerful Web Components projects with clean, high-tech architecture. Moreover, you'll be proud to showcase them as pet projects to impress your employers on performance reviews and interviews. Not only will you learn the Web Components, but you'll also dive into the latest tools and techniques from TypeScript, Storybook, and CSS modules to building UI kits, micro-frontends, localization, accessibility, and monorepos. Plus, you'll see how all of these can collaborate smoothly in a single web application. They are not a trend, not a framework that could become outdated in a few years. They are already supported by all major browsers and will continue to be a core part of the web's evolution in the future. This course is designed for software engineers of all levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, it doesn't matter. I've done my best to ensure that no matter where you are in your IT journey, you will level up your front-end skills from 0 to hero. I attached tons of useful resources and code snippets for you, so don't miss out on checking them. They will help you go deeper and advance your knowledge fast. Got questions, issues, or facing obstacles? Just drop me a line in the questions section. I'm happy to help. And if you located a mistake that I made somewhere, don't hesitate to tell me too. So, are you ready to take your web development skills to a new level? Then, don't wait another moment. Click below to enroll now, roll up your sleeves, buckle a seatbelt, and enjoy the ride. I'll bring my energy, passion, and experience. You bring your curiosity and drive. Let's build something extraordinary together. Can't wait to see you in this course.